I can show you if you want.
Okay.
So you want to line it up. You want to line it up to where it is not very even at all.
Okay.
So the corner needs to be pretty close to the fat part of the middle here. And then the first thing you do is you tie it like you're going to tie a shoe, just half of a square knot. And that's actually what holds it to your neck. So you can make it as tight as you're comfortable with. Then you want to take this piece here and fold it to where it looks the shape of a bow tie. And then you'll wrap the skinny part around it, go all the way back around your half a square knot that you already have. So this part up here will look like a bow tie, but you have all of this down here. You'll have part with just one piece of fabric and part with two. So what you'll do is you'll fold this and you'll notice that it has part with two pieces of fabric and part with one. And now you'll have to actually shove it through the small bit that you wrapped it around in so that you have three pieces of fabric on both sides. And it will look really awful until you straighten it up. I don't have a mirror here, so I can't see exactly how well I'm doing because I'm looking at a small thumbnail, but that's it. Then you just have to fiddle with it and adjust it until it looks like you want it to look. But to get good at it, you probably need 20 or 30 tries, and it's not the most user-friendly